but let's go in. I'm assuming they're getting a new door. I'm not sure. I know this is still like the builder grade stuff, or the builder stuff, but this is what you see when you walk in the front door. And then on this side, I styled the entryway with furniture from Ashley Home. And let me just give you an overview. How beautiful is that mirror? And this table. It's actually quite a large entryway. So I'm gonna turn around. So as you come in the front door, there is this beautiful barn door here, and then it goes into an office or whatever room you want to make it. And this room, I'm not sure that she's done yet, but I'll just give you a little sneak peek. She's doing a good job. I'm gonna leave all the designers in the description box, and I will put their Instagram handles on the screen. So if you want to check them out, I would highly recommend it because they're a bunch of amazing women. Not every space in this house is done, so you'll see that. And then you come in here, and here is the bathroom. Beautiful tiles and cabinetry. And then in here, there's another little bedroom. It's a boy's bedroom, but how fun. You guys, I'm gonna tell you, this is Rebecca Piper's bedroom. She has the cutest style ever. I don't know where everything from everybody's rooms are from, so I can't link everything, but I'm guessing that 90% of the stuff in this room is vintage or from an antique store. So fun. I'm going to tell you what I love about every bedroom because there's things but in this one I love the bed. I love the little Jenny Lynn bed, and she pairs everything so nicely. Okay, so coming out of the bedroom, we're going back into the now we're in the kitchen. And this I don't think is done quite yet, but this is the last day I'm here, so I won't be able to show you everything. But then this is the kitchen. How awesome are those cabinets? And then from the kitchen you see the great room, which is what I did. I did a whole tour of this, so I'm not going to go into detail. I'll leave that video in the description box if you want to check it out. But I partnered with Ashley Furniture to stage this, and it turned out way better than I could have imagined. So this is kind of a tricky wall. If you can see, you have the fireplace on the very left. In the middle is where you would put your TV, and then you have another full wall. So I did the best I could with how I centered all the furniture, but I think it turned out perfect. And this room is so big that you can't even get the full idea of how big it is. But my favorite piece in this house, or in this room, are my chairs that I picked out. They are like a charcoal gray, and I paired them with white pillows and like a woven pillow. And then it has the lighter wood. So I did mix woods in here because you can see everything on the walls and stuff is hickory. And then I have like a darker wood, and then I have black. That is wood. It looks metal, but it is wood. But I think it turned out so cute. And then I'm gonna show you something cool about the kitchen. Let me just give you a little overview of it. Huge island, but this door is so cool. It leads into the pantry. Oh, I forgot to turn the light on, but I think it has a motion light. Yep, there it goes. And so this is the pantry, huge pantry. And then this is not done, but I'm gonna show you anyway. This is the mudroom. Let me turn on the light. So you could do some cute lockers here. And then this is where your laundry room is. I'm gonna take you like the back way to the master because this is really cool. So I'm gonna turn here. This is the living room. So you come down this hall into your mudroom, but then this door here is the master closet. So it's right next to the laundry. How genius is that? And then, so this is the master closet. It's really great size. And then walking into the kitchen, or excuse me, the bathroom, the master bathroom. And I'll turn on the light in here so you can see how pretty it is in there. And then I'll leave the designer of the bathroom and the master bedroom. She did such a good job. Look at how cute this idea is. Just cute little baskets on the wall. And then this is like a little vanity. Hi, I look scary, but so cute. And then I'm gonna show you her rugs because I feel like she did such a good job. And then this is kind of what you see when you walk into the master bedroom. Let me just show you. You can check out her Instagram right there, Katie Butler. I went to high school with her. She's so cute. Anyway, she did an amazing job in here. Start over here. She has this really darling brown couch with these prints. I'm going to show you the card to who does these prints. I will also have that information linked down below if you want to check them out. They're absolutely beautiful. These weren't in here the other day when I was here, but so cute. She is so good with textures and pattern too. All of her pillows have really awesome texture. This is my favorite pillow. Look how cute it is. It has a little tassel right there. And then a cute rug, blanket. She did tell me the bed is from Wayfair and the end tables are from Crate and Barrel. So if I can find them, I'll link them. But look at this bedding. My favorite part. I love bedding. So this is just right up my alley. So cute. And then I want to show you inside here. Can you see? These are all glass. How pretty is that? And then turning around to this wall, she just has a cute dresser and a fiddle leaf and a ginormous mirror. So I'm going to just give you a little overview again because it's so cute. I'm sorry I said that a million times in this video, but everything is just darling. And then she's got these two little furry things on the end. And then I'll show you her little stand over here. How cute. And then that's the tub in the bathroom. Okay, so now I'll just take you downstairs to the other bedrooms that are done. And anyway, now let's go downstairs. Okay, I'm gonna take you downstairs. Now I'm not sure everything in here is done. I'll just show you around though. There's a huge living room down here with a little wet bar. And then another like bedroom or office. I don't know what they're doing in there, but it's huge. This would be like a perfect craft room or kids room, like playroom if you have kiddos. And then next door to it is the theater room. So they've got like a little stage seating area. And then the TV will go on this wall. How fun is that? And then lighting back out. I'm trying to shut lights off as we go here. And then back here is where all the bedrooms are. And be prepared to be blown away because there's so many. This is beautiful back here. Oh, that's just a light. Okay, so I will leave the links, like I said, to who did these. But here's another bedroom. Let's just take a look at this mirror or this photo. These little cotton stem are so cute. And then a darling little lamp. I love the simplicity of her bedding, but it's still like impactful, which is I'm all about. And she's got a cute little nightstand over here. And okay, this is just so fun. I'm gonna have to show you up close. So these are all hand-drawn photos or sketches. And then this is like a little art desk. She's got chalk and paintbrushes and paints and pencils. And then a little watercolor set. How fun is this? And then a really fun sketchbook, colored pencils and rulers. And I love this desk. It's a writing desk. It's an old one with a cute metal chair and a wall hanging. here's an overview from the door. Oh, be prepared to be blown away. This girl, she's absolutely amazing. Not only is she like can decorate, but she's very talented. She's very crafty. Let me turn on the light here. Okay, so she even decorated the cute closet. Okay, she makes all of these little dolls. So I will have her linked below. If you have a little one, you've got to check them out. Look at these, so cute. I mean, look at this, you guys. And then I'll give you a little overview of her room. How fun is that lamp? A little cute chair, more little cute knitted teddy bears, and then cute wall. This wall is so fun. Just an eclectic. I can't do eclectic, but there's two girls that are doing this house that can do it really well. Obviously, she's one of them. And then a really darling mirror. And then the little bookshelf with super cute vintage toys. Oh my gosh, can you just die? And then a really fun rug. Okay, I'm gonna stand in the doorway and give you an overview of this room because I can't do it justice, but. Sweet little girl's room. Let's just give you her bed is my favorite. Look how darling it is. Right up my alley. And then she made that really cute garland. It's on her Instagram, so I will link that. And then she has all this bedding. How cute, you guys. So much talent. And then she's got a really darling rug here. I love that. And a cute little nightstand and little vintage dresser, and my favorite mirror, she has that in here. And then over here she's got this cute little wall. And then I want to show you this. My friend Katie makes these, and I don't know if you can tell the detail, but those are made out of paper. And it's so cute. I will leave her link below because you've got to check her out. And then this is kind of an overview of her room. Okay, before we go, I wanted to, I forgot. There's a bathroom here. And then this is the, coming from the living room back to the bedroom and the mudroom. There's another barn door there. That's so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna end with the very best thing is the view from here, if I can get it caught on camera. Because anybody that buys this house has the most spectacular views from the office, living room, and master bedroom. This is what you see. I was up here the other night, and at night this is absolutely stunning. So